Hey guys, so this is my Diigo. I haven't used it a lot since our last class, mainly because I'm a math major and I don't look up a lot of things for math. I have tagged a couple things for religious studies, and of course our common sense education site I've tagged, and then everything that we did last class I pretty much have tagged. I really do enjoy the different tags you can have on this. One of my favorite aspects of it, though, is that if I went to type in a website and I go and I can see that I've already tagged it, and then if I want to look at what I tagged while I tagged this one to see like what I was looking at this website in reference to, I can do that. So those are the recommended ones. Like tagged out in education, so then I can go back to my Diigo and see what else I tagged. Um, so I've really enjoyed that aspect of it. But other than that, I look forward to using it more once I get into more research topics because I did just switch over to Google Chrome. So all of my old bookmarks are on my Explorer. Um, so this is like a nice new way to organize my bookmarks. Thanks.